Welcome to this professional tutorial on installing the Highway Relayer for the first time, specifically targeting the testnet environment. Before we begin, let's ensure you have everything needed: a dedicated mini PC or server, stable internet, Ethernet connection, power supply, an 8 GB or larger USB drive, and a second device such as a phone or computer. It's important to use a real machine or a supported virtual machine. Containers or WSL are not compatible. Preparing these essentials will help you avoid interruptions and ensure a smooth installation process. Now, let's move on to the onboarding steps. Begin by opening the Highway Relayer onboarding page and selecting First Time Install. The next step is to download the official Relayer ISO file, which is approximately 3.1 GB in size. Make sure you download the file from the official source to guarantee authenticity and security. This ISO will be used to set up your Relayer from scratch. Once downloaded, you're ready to prepare your USB drive for flashing. Let's proceed to the flashing process. With the ISO file ready, use Rufus or Balena Etcher to flash it onto your USB drive. Select the downloaded ISO and the correct USB device, then start the flashing process. Remember, all data on the USB will be erased, so double-check before proceeding. This step is crucial for creating a bootable installer that will set up your Relayer. Once flashing is complete, you're ready to move to the hardware setup phase. Now connect your Ethernet cable and power supply. Insert the USB drive into your machine and restart it. Access the boot menu, which is typically done by pressing F12, F11 or delete during startup. Select the USB drive as your boot device. The installer will launch and you'll be prompted to set up a new Relayer. Use Tab and Enter to navigate through the installer interface. This step initiates the Relayer installation process. When the installer starts, choose Set up a new RELAYER. Navigate using Tab and Enter. You'll need to enter a Relayer name, which must be between 3 and 50 characters. Next, select TSTNT as your environment. These settings are essential for identifying your Relayer and ensuring it connects to the correct network. Once configured, the installer will generate an activation URL and code for the next step. The installer will display an activation URL and code. On your second device, open the URL, log into Highway, and enter the code to approve activation. This step securely links your Relayer to your Highway account and authorizes its operation. Once activation is approved, return to your main machine and allow the installation to continue. Avoid powering off or disconnecting the internet during this phase. During installation, you'll be presented with 12 recovery words. Write these down on paper and keep them private. Never share or screenshot them. These words are critical for recovering your Relayer in case of hardware failure or loss. After recording them, enter Yes to confirm you've securely stored them. This step ensures your Relayer's security and future accessibility. Let the installation process finish without interruption. Once complete, your Relayer should be running. On-chain registration may still be pending, so keep your machine online and monitor the Highway dashboard for updates. This ensures your Relayer is fully operational and ready for testnet participation. If you encounter issues, check your internet connection and installer logs for troubleshooting. If you see environment not supported, verify you are not using containers or WSL. For setup failures, check your internet connection and review installer logs for error details. If you're already using Ubuntu, you can install the Relayer directly with the provided command: curl https://install hiwnetwork eo/install sh sudo hbash. This command streamlines installation for Ubuntu users, ensuring compatibility and ease of setup.